Good morning, guys. Um, we open up with a gap. So let's see the gap. Here's the primary range high, and we open here with a huge gap. So we might have a gap and go. These lines over here are levels that I did yesterday. I loaded a whole year. Hold on, I think I'm having a problem with the microphone. All right. Can you guys hear me? Anyway, but so what I did was I loaded a whole year worth of data here. Came over here and loaded this a whole year, and I went back and I mark the levels that I thought that were important for the year. Also, if you look over here, this is this level right here, what you see here. This is a 10-year chart. This is 10 years. And this is where we are right now. You're right here. Crap. Each bar of this, each candle, I'm sorry, each candle is 1 week. This is 1 week. This is the all-time highs right here. These are all the levels that I got for this for levels that I thought were kind of important. I know that it looks kind of crowded right now, but because this is on a weekly, that's why it looks so bad. But yeah, as you can see, this is what he has been doing for the last 10 years. So if you would have put, let's say, if you were to buy here and just hold it for 10 years, you would have been a millionaire, billionaire probably. So it's always been going on. Look at this. So now we have what it's called the gap and go. So with the gap and go, it's just basically more upside. We're gonna be trending up, and this is at the level. Let me see if I can find the ultimate. Oh, okay. So the all-time high is right here. I don't know what's this for. Over there. So the trend is up. Trend is definitely up. So what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a retest. Let's see. I'm waiting for a retest of this area here. Somewhere around here. I need this to go down a little bit more. And then I'll take that and buy. Because you don't want to buy. You definitely don't want to buy at the top. You know. You want to wait until the candles go back to the level. And this is a good level. This is the R3, that's the last one. Now for the ES, for the last 10 years, right now it's making all times high. I don't know if you guys are keeping an eye on that, but this is right now the price is 5883. Yeah, 5883 right now. So that's we're talking all time highs, making all time highs right now. Uh, lasting through. The problem that I see is that this is all pointing down, and I usually wait for the first 10 minutes before I make a trade, but I don't think I will be waiting that long today. Would love to get in. You know, the problem is when you are is high up, all these levels, these are all levels. And I like them in place so I don't move them. But these are all levels. The problem with when you're so close to these levels, um, uh, a a we're so close to getting one of those huge pullback to grab some liquidity, and I'm always been scared of those because I like to take those rather than being stuck with one of them. Well, I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. This is looking better. Might be worth it. worth giving it a try. Just stop right here, man. But I'll probably take it here. Take it. A little bit late, but late than late. How much power we got? But this is very interesting area. There's a lot of levels in this area. That's why I have a region marked there. Got slapped back down. Our resistance here, so it should have broke through if there was more conviction. Not much conviction be found here, so I'm gonna take some of my risk out just in case. I don't want to risk too much, but this is pretty close to the all-time high. Well, not that close, but not much over here. Look, we already pivot point. The pivot point R3, which is the furthest out, the pivot point. The Fibonacci pivot points. We're on level 3, which is the furthest out. And I don't know. Yeah. If you decide to do something. And there's a lot of areas here. That's why I highlight my regions, guys. You know, I know you're new. I mean, if you're new to using market profile, start putting highlighting areas that you see that are important. So multiple parts are touching, and that's what I do. You know, so nice. Okay. I'll show you in a minute. Let me finish this so you know how to highlight your areas. Or at least this is how I highlight. My areas. Okay, I'll show you right now. So what I do is get the market profile, and right now I don't see anything to highlight. But you got this top area here, and this area here. This is a previous high, and this is a previous overnight high somewhere around there. And then we have initial balance here coinciding with all this, so I put that together. Now over here, hold on, maybe I need to highlight this area. Okay, so yeah, I don't bother with that. Like if it's secondary, like here, like one of those overnight pivot point value area high, I don't put those. But if it's range high, overnight range high, I like to put them together. This is for an all one. Probably to have all this, that means there was a lot of prior range high, and overnight highs all together. A lot of them to mark all this area. Important. So 1, 2, 3. Look at this two. You got this two. This is kind of important right here. You got this two right here. I don't include this one because it's kind of far out. If I have one more, maybe. But I'll keep that. And that's how you. This is not bad either, by the way. This could have been included. Let me unlock this, and I'm going to include this. Lock it. And that's how you do it. That's how I do it. Somebody else might have a different way. But for you, this is how I do it. So if you start doing the market profile thing, then you can start, plotting down some regions. I know you're not gonna have many levels as I do, but all you gotta do is tune in and watch me. Actually, you know what? You don't even need to. You can do it your own. So like right over here. Look. You can come over here. You plot out this 10-year bi-weekly, and then you got yourself a line. And let me see. Horizontal line. Here's a horizontal line. And what I do is I look for a place that match everything. Like here. See how it crosses all this and it comes down here and touches this one over here. Now I can put that there. And then I can come back and see what else I can find. Look at all this. It touches then near all of it. Right here, and it crosses all this. Here's another level. And you can put one more level somewhere around here too. See how it touches all that. Then we definitely can do one more here. Definitely can do one more here. Then from there, see, nothing here, nothing here. This one is a little bit tough, but you can put one here and then one more here. And it coincides with that. Right? So even though you don't have the market profile for a long time, you can start getting some idea of what's happening. And if you want, also you can do instead of bi-weekly, you can have this made by I don't want to do more, but you can do by make it day candles, and instead of don't go 10 years because it's gonna go crazy computer. I don't know, do with like start with 6 months, see how it looks, and then build up from there. See how your computer can handle that. Right? Go back to the chart here. Yeah. Wow. See how those levels that I put earlier, like how they come in handy. They do. Really, really do. I was last night. I mean, I loaded a whole year, and damn, it took the computer near half an hour just to load it. And then when I change it back to my 10-year time frame, my 10 days, it took another half an hour. And what the hell? You think we're gonna cross this? This indicator is really good. Look. This is all the people trying to call in this the top. Oh no, no, we're at the top. Let's go down. Let's go down. Yeah, the trend is up. You know what? I don't remember what's the percentage of new traders that actually quit. I know a couple of friends that started trading with me a couple of years ago. They were gone. I'm the only one left of my friend that started. I don't even talk to them because we got nothing in common. I mean, what the hell? We started with this and now they move on to other things, which I'm happy for them, but I stay here. This is not for everybody. Definitely it's not. I'll give it a try. See what we can do. The last one I entered a little bit late. I don't want to enter late again. I do admit my entry points have much to be decided. Let me tell you, my entry point sucks. But I make money, so who cares? Not gonna go. Tell you. Sometimes, when you well, nice. When you are in the uptrend, um you can kind of disregard a little bit the indicators. Not completely, but in a trend, either up or down, trend is king. So the trend dictate more than anything. The indicators are just there just to give you a little extra push, but but that's it. Um, the the I don't put that much weight. Basically, I don't put that much weight on the indicator. I put more weight on the trend more than anything, and the candle structures. The candle will tell me exactly what are we doing, or how we doing. You know, um, it's a good spot to take it to, by the way. But I'm gonna hold on because I still think they have more push. Trying to break through all this. I don't want to cut it too early. I think it has one more push. Not much, but maybe one more. Just see. I think it has a little bit more. Yeah. I mean, if it stopped me, that's okay. One final push. Look at that, one take away from stopping me. If it goes here. I mean, I hope you guys are learning. Please, if you have questions, ask. That's what I'm here for. You know, I'm not charging, so don't be afraid to ask. I'm okay with that. I still think it got potential. Probably could hit somewhere around here. Start getting greedy, holding on too long. Last thing you know, that thing just, you might get there, but it might do a liquidity grab and come all the way down to here, and then flip it around on you, flip it right back on you, and come up here, or you're gonna feel bad. I know I have. Anyway, so also I was feeling sick all week too, since I spent the whole weekend on bed, Friday, Saturday. On there, I had a massive headache, huge back problems, but I still got out. Oh, here you go. I still got out and loaded all those days, came up here, do my thing. Because you have to. What I was telling you, it has potential to make it up there. But it's only a couple $100 more. Not really, see? Not really a big deal. Yeah. And from here, I don't know where we're gonna go. I have no idea. I'm still sick. It looks like we might be doing liquidity grab, by the way. I'm not 100% sure. If not, I would have taken it, but yeah. Probably get down to the second deviation, first deviation, I'm sorry, or go down here. I mean, I won't take it, but this off trend is strong. Yeah, it looks like it. You know, didn't I call that shit? I did. How did I know it was gonna melt down a little bit? I don't know. Still think it's gonna go down to this level though. And I called that earlier. I don't remember. I think I called it somewhere around here. Here, I called this. Which is, you know, one of the things that tells me we were gonna go down is that this is the third deviation. I mean, not the third deviation. This is the third level of the Fibonacci pivot point. Here's the second. Here's the first one. And here's the EP. Fibonacci pivot point. This is the middle. We got R1, 2, and 3. Right, 3 is the furthest out on the Fibonacci pivot point. There's no more after that. Look how far away we are from it. That's one. Okay. Number two. Number two is that we are so far out from anything we might have earlier. These are all points. I believe it was like 6-7 months ago. This levels, some are even older than that. So the real and so trying to get to those is a little bit iffy. This top right here is a new one. This I might keep, and I might just put it here right now. Not a bad. And this one I might keep it because it's right there between, it touches here, and this two right here, which is interesting. So all that, and there's nothing else. There's nothing else. All these levels are here. They're so old. Pretty much, I don't know. It's just visual aids, but there really is not much anything. The only thing left for the thing to do is to come down. So that's why I was saying, yeah, it looks like it's gonna go down. creating a little cradle here, so it might shoot up. But then again, the fast EMA is about to cross over. And we're still on an uptrend though, by the way. Here we go. This is one level. The next one will be down here. Also, you can see, look at the, I forgot to mention this, look at the candle structure. Look at this candle. Does that look convincing? Do they look convincing? Now, this is convincing candle. Look at this, how it took off. This, so there were some going up, but there was not a lot of conviction. See, what did I say? Went to that level. Yeah. Anyway, but the buyers were getting exhausted. There was not a lot of people were not convinced that this is people were not convinced this is a good place to buy. So they were starting to run off. So then people started selling them. We got a bounce here. Facebook is saying something. Here we go. Didn't I call this shit too? Man. Once you listen, man, listen to me. You've put in the time. Just watch the market. Watch it. You will notice things that are going to bother you. Okay, you will notice them. You will be able to anticipate where the thing is going. Granted, sometimes you're gonna get stuck. I've been stuck before. That's gonna happen. There's nothing we can do about that. But once you start looking at it, it's just gonna come to you second nature. You'll be able to tell, I don't buy it. I don't think this is going up. I think it's a trap. So yeah. That's all I'm saying. So just keep at it, keep looking at it, keep looking at the damn, look at this. I didn't even notice it. Hold on. Look at this. This is one ginormous flag. Look at this. Wow. Even if you don't agree with that, you can make a strong case right here. This is a flag. Even right here. Whichever pick a spot, but I think this is a ginormous flag. And a big flag. Yeah. Oh. I just noticed it now. And where does it become invalid? Man, that flag does not become invalid until I want to say halfway. So halfway somewhere around here. Up in range high. That's when it becomes invalid. Somewhere around here. VWAP, actually VWAP. Well, VWAP is gonna keep on moving. You know, this open range right here. Right in the middle. Right here. So if you wanted to play safe for that for that flag, you wait until it gets here and then you buy. And who knows how far it's gonna go, but at least like next strong point would be somewhere around here. This is what I would take it, somewhere around here. If I was taking from down there. And possibility here too. A few spots. But remember that this is still an uptrend on a higher time frame. So I'm thinking we're gonna keep on going down. Is a high low with some the high low right here. I like it. I'm gonna risk them. I see trouble, I'll get out, but like right now there's trouble. I still like it. This is running out of steam. $104 says block. I'm gonna take a little bit out. Take one of my contract out. I hate it. I hate these people. They might get stuck, but the problem is here's what I'm seeing. Here's what I'm seeing. I'm gonna tell you what I'm seeing. What I'm seeing is that we didn't hit this level. If we would have hit it, then I would have been more than happy to wait it out. Because the most likely scenario, their stops around here, somewhere, anywhere between here and here. So let me do a little region. Somewhere between here and here would have been the stops. So since those stops would have been here, these people probably would have thought of come down, grabbing those stops, and then shoot up. That's what I was thinking. So I'm thinking these people, they may get stuck with that. That's okay. And also, I don't have a clear target. I said it from I always say this: you need to have a clear target. If you don't have a target, then you should not be trading. And so I just enter it and try to do a 2-to-1 ratio trade, but without a target, and I don't recommend it. Yeah, I would like to take this, but the indicators are just too crappy. I know I said in the uptrend, if you don't put that much weight, but look at this, it's not 100%. On a higher time frame, is still on my higher time frame, it's still on the uptrend, but it's it's already pinching. So yeah, it's not that strong. It's strong right here. This, yeah, not so much. That's why I'm hesitant about it. Very hesitant. That's a good entry candle right here. That's a good one, but again, I don't know. I don't know much. Could have entered there. My stop right over here. Maybe behind this I one. Well, looks like a higher low. Maybe. Nah, I don't trust it. I don't trust this. I don't. I think it's a trap. Anywhere you go, it's gonna trap. If you buy it, the shit's gonna go down. You try to go down with it, it's gonna go up. Either way, you fucked. Yeah, look at that. See if I would have put a buy there. Boom. It's a trap. Goddamn trap. And you gotta be in the lookout for those traps. Remember, they can see your stop, so they can. I mean, if you only got one or two contracts, they're not gonna go for it. But if you have, now I have one of my daughters sick, so just my wife just sent me a text. She's throwing up, so everybody in the house is sick. I was sick. I'm still sick. I still got a headache. Hurts like hell. And I don't even know if you guys are watching or not, but I'll be great if you guys can put a comment or something so I know somebody's watching, finding this instructive, whatever. You see what I mean? A lot of people, some people might have jumped on this. Well, oh, this is it. This is the one that's gonna go, and bloop, that is not. Wow. So yeah, so like I was saying, I mean, if you got one or two contracts, they might leave your stop alone. But if you got like sometimes I have 6, 7, 8, like 10 or some point 10 contracts. It's been known to go against me just to grab my fucking, just to grab my, pardon the language, uh, just to grab my stops and then go back in the favor that I wanted anyway. It happens. So there is a risk. The more contracts you put in, uh, if it's not a perfect trade, you know, if it's not a trade that everybody's saying, yeah, we're gonna go up on this one, oh, it's gonna go down, then it goes with a lot of strength, then your stops are safe. But if it's taking a long time, it might just go back to grab your stops and then shoot up. Happened to me. If you look at my videos, you're gonna see them that many times I put contracts and they just go back up and eat them and then shoots back down where I wanted to go, or up, down or up. See what I mean? How many people got stuck here thinking, no, no, we're gonna go to high and low. The indicators were up, whatever, but this one was down, but it don't matter. But then look at this. I don't there's there's a lot of nuances to trading that nobody can teach you any of this unless you put the time watching the indicators. You gotta watch the indicators. You gotta watch the chart, candles. You know, you gotta be aware of levels and you know potential for possibility for the a meltdown or an expansion, liquidity grabs. You gotta be paying attention to all that and see how this whole thing comes together. Okay, if you want to make money, you gotta pay attention to the chart. Put the time in it. Just looking at the chart. Just look at the chart. Because I mean, when I first started, um, it was during. But I started before COVID, but then I went in hard during COVID. I would just sit here from 8:30 in the morning all the way to 3:30 p.m. all every day, Monday to Friday, and then Saturday, Sundays I would do the replay for a few hours, not all day. It would drive my wife crazy, but it's not like we had anything to. We were like that. What the hell? My wife wanted to watch movies. I didn't want to watch anything. All I wanted to do was these damn charts. That's all I wanted to do, and that's all I did. Keep an eye on the chart. Watch the chart. And I watch a lot of YouTube videos of all the people taking trades and seeing them. And be honest, I was jealous because they weren't fucking making money. So, and I was just watching them and watching them. Then I would watch my charts and watch their charts. I first started with the two leg pullbacks. I think I already said that. Then later on, I move on. But yeah, two leg pullback is it's a good spot to put to get your feet wet. Don't stay there, because you gotta move on from that two leg pullback. They're okay. They're okay. Um, what I don't like is you risk two to gain one. That's not a good deal for me. I still don't trust it. So yeah, just watching this, watch it every day. If you get bored, if you find this asinine or whatever you want to use, whatever adjective you want to use to for this, uh, other than I love it or it's beautiful, anything other than that, I mean, captivating, awesome. You don't find it like that, it's not for you. Maybe a nine to three job is 9 to 5 job is where you should be. It won't be here. Wouldn't be here. I'm telling you, Sunday I was sick as a dog, and I was up here, moving things around, changing things. How can I better myself? Rewatching some of my YouTube videos. I was just watching them again. You know, there's always potential to come back to this level. That's what I'm looking at. This level right away. And look at what we're doing. We're creating a small crater. See? I would have taken it down, but I was talking. uh is the 5 CMA just cross over too. This is a good spot to take a bounce. If I was going to take a bounce, but the problem is I still think this area here, this area there might be still in play because we never touched it. We never touched it. We have a naked POC? I don't think so. Is that we leave a naked POC? There's no naked POC. It's not a naked POC. Oh, it's a previous POC. Yeah. Yeah. Didn't I call that shit? Didn't I call that? Oh, to the T. I called it. I called it earlier. That's why I didn't get to any of this. I didn't get any of this because I was worried to this shit come down to the level, and it did. And I was talking so much shit. I missed my point. Was over here to enter to take that meltdown. Holy shit! Oh, we still going down. Wow. Okay. But I did call it. When you can call where the action is gonna go, then you're doing pretty good. And if you've been following me for a minute, you've been watching me trading live, I'm pretty sure you have come to realize that I'm making some calls and I'm pretty accurate. I want to say I'm about 90% accurate on my calls. It's rare that I miss one. I think last Friday I missed one or two, but the rest of the week I was on point. I was calling on where it was gonna go. Today I'm on point again. Oh, This is where the flag becoming invalid, but no longer flag. It's gone. But it would have been this area here. So in this occasion, as you can see, we have a divergence, but no divergence. I like to see the divergence here too, or at least the candle start going up. That's why. Meltdown. That's very common. When you get to the top, there's no other place to go. To go down, that's the end of it. So it'd be good for a quick push up though. The trend is down. Look how strong that trend is. Look at the line so smooth. Look at over here. You see how they like a little bit wonky, they're not smooth straight lines like this. That tells me it's a strong trend. Power range Power range high is probably the next point if I was gonna take, I'll take downtrend, so I'll take it with reservation, by the way. Not really 100%. Definitely some reservation. Oh shit, 104 buy block. Thank you. Thank you. See what I mean? Dicks. 105 buy blocks. Fantastic. Yeah. That downtrend is still strong though. No chance I'll survive that. Thank you, sir. I'll still take it again though. See what I mean? They just went up two, but it was only two. Why they go after two? That's crazy. Only two stops. Or whatever. I still think that was a good trade. I would still would have taken it. Take it right now. Would have loved for this price to go up to here before we go down. I don't think I'm gonna get that. Maybe. It's all looking up. I was a little bit early. I should have waited. I don't want to be too early on this one either. I don't want to be late. Yeah, my entry points, I know they're horrendous, they're horrible, but I don't want to work on it. Working on my entry points meaning having to do things differently, which means changing the way I trade, which means I'm gonna start losing money. The way I'm trading and making money, I want to leave it like the way it is. That was a good candle, man. This is a little bit weak. I like it. If it touches that, it most likely will. Now I'm waiting for a good candle. I can get in. On this trade here, it's a possibility they might go up to this level here, I3. It's a possibility. That's why I'm a little bit skeptical about this one here. When you see levels nearby, I mean, it came pretty close to it, so it could go over there. Actually, I think it's a higher probability gonna get there. Yeah, should be buying instead of selling. Oh. We also have this, but the problem is that we have this pivot point here that we came close within touch, but we also have the VWAP, the middle of the VWAP. We're doing business above the VWAP, and what's above the VWAP nearby is the R3. No, R1. That's R1, right? I don't even know. R3, actually, that's R3. So that's a problem, and everything is resetting up. So I don't know. This could spell problem for me. I was trying to get a better entry point. That's why I don't want to work on it. It's after 11 too, by the way. I might. My percentage of trading goes down after 11. It does. My best trading time is between 9:30 and maybe 11. After 11, I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm hungry. I'm not, but take that. Bounce off of that. Bounce off of that level with a lot of power. So I'm taking it. might be enough, strong enough to take this all the way down. At least I'm convincing myself that's the possibility. Come on. A long way, but you can do it. Believe in you. I mean, I can close it there and go home with $500, but I think it's gonna go down there, so I'm not gonna. I think it can go from here to this level, at least this level. I put 2 contracts here. That's my prediction. And if you know my predictions are pretty good. Patience, patience. Yeah, I was patient, but I don't need to be stupid, you know. I'll take 2 there just in case. Decide to slam. Oh, beautiful. Take 1 more there. Last one out shades. Let me give it some break because I think it can hit here. There's a lot of stops here. So if we cross here, somewhere around here, if we cross here, it should shoot down. Come on. Well, I don't need to stress. I got 1,500 in the bank right now, so you go crazy. You can just let it ride. That would put me over 2 grand, but again, all I make for is 4,000 a day. If I can do that, the rest is just bonus. Put it over here because I think it's gonna go down, so not really worry about it. Need to trust your strategy, 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 strategy. Yeah, yeah. Now I'll put it here. Really, to buy 1 more right here. I'm golden. Lose. Once he breaks that, good. I'll take this one out. Why not? Leave the next one there. I entered that second contract a little bit late, but that's all right. I think we're still good. This is gonna be my last one because I'm gonna have to go to bed, man. I'm not feeling really good today. 2100, not bad. I didn't get what I want to hear, but it's gonna get there. It's gonna get here. There's anyway, but we'll never know. Not today. We won't know. I'm out. I'm gonna be out. It's beautiful day for trading. Hope you guys learn something. That's my wishes, man. That you guys, everybody becomes a trader. Everybody learns how to do this. And if you trade, please be careful. Trade sim account, and once you feel good, go into a prop firm. Do not use your money. Go to a prop firm. There are plenty out there. Read the reviews, of course. Don't go blindly. Read reviews and be safe. Okay, so I'm thinking. Be safe, guys. Be safe. Don't trade crazy. Make sure that your tradings are 70% winning. Okay. 60 you're okay. And if you can do a 2-to-1 ratio, 1-to-2 ratio, meaning you're willing to lose 1 to gain 2, at a 60% winning ratio, still, even at a 50% ratio, is still good. But I don't recommend anybody to try to go for a firm, to a prop firm, unless you're on a 62 is ideal. 62% winning rate. That'll secure. That'll put you in a good manager position that you can actually pass the test and get funded. Because what could kill you is the what is it called, the trading thingy, the intraday. So let's say you went up, you saw how I was up 1,000, and then I lost that 1,000 minus 100. So technically I lost 1,200 because I was up 1,000, then I lost it, and then if I would have lost another 1,000 on top of that, I would have been down 2,000 for the day, even though I was negative only 1,000. I wasn't, but I'm just saying, because of that trailing stop. Now I would have recovered that 1,000, and I would end up positive too, because I made all that money back. But no, I would still be 1,000 under for the week, even though I'm positive 2,000. I think that's how it goes. It's been a long time, but anyway, soon enough I'm gonna do one trial for you guys. I don't know which one I'm gonna do. Most likely it's gonna be Apex. I don't know why. I'll probably try that one. Anyway, so that's it, guys. That's it for me, man. 2100. Happy trading, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, you have a great day. Bye.